The human eye, an organ often praised as the ultimate masterpiece of biological complexity. But if we change our perspective and look at it through the eyes of an engineer, it's one of the most dismal design failures. Let's dissect its structure. When light travels through the lens, it shoots straight to the back wall. That area is called the retina, acting as an active screen that converts light into electrical signals. According to engineering logic, these photoreceptor cells should be at the very front to capture light at maximum efficiency. And the wiring or nerves carrying the data should be neatly hidden behind the screen, right? Absolutely wrong, because vertebrate evolution wired it completely backwards. Our retinal structure is completely inverted. Light has to travel through a tangled wall of nerves and blood vessels before it finally reaches the photoreceptors buried at the very bottom. This degrades light absorption efficiency right from the start. But that's not the real disaster. The major problem is, how do all these nerves piled up at the front send data back to the brain? The answer is, they have to bundle together and pierce through their own retina to loop out the back of the eye. That gap right there is a spot with absolutely zero photoreceptor cells, creating a dark void we call the blind spot. The reason we don't see black holes floating in midair every day is that our brain works overtime, gathering surrounding data to seamlessly stitch the image together. It's basically using expensive brain software to patch up hardware that was assembled incorrectly at the factory. Now, let's look at a creature like the octopus, which has a completely separate evolutionary lineage from us. The engineering of their eyes makes painfully more sense. Octopus eyes have photoreceptors at the very front to fully absorb light, with nerves neatly wired at the back. No piercing through, no light obstruction, and most importantly, their eyes have no blind spot. So why are we stuck with this flawed design? The answer is, nature is blind. Evolution doesn't look ahead. It builds upon random mistakes over and over. As long as a structure is good enough to survive and reproduce, it gets passed on. Therefore, our eyes are not perfect engineering masterpieces, but rather massive evidence of a patchwork evolution that just so happens to work well enough.